At NBI Insulation, we specialize in the installation of the main types of insulation: spray foam open cell, spray foam closed cell, spray cellulose sound, blow batts and remove insulation. These products provide thermal and acoustic insulation, reducing heat, cold, and noise, significantly lowering your energy bills. They are also sustainable, using eco-friendly materials. We offer residential and commercial installations. For more information, contact either of the following numbers: 404-389-2054, Carlos; Spanish, or 678-751-4837, Omar. English, free estimates. We solve your problems.